Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing Jane's Agenda's May 2023 Deluxe Monthly Sub Box. I am super obsessed. I love all of Jane's Agenda's sub boxes. I think everything is so pretty, so I'm excited to dive in. So the first thing that I see is this cute little card, and it just says thank you, and to take a picture and tag them on Instagram. So let's go ahead and get these items out of here. That way we can get the box out of here as well. And then all I'm going to do is kind of slip it out. Okay, perfect. So the first thing that I see, oh, this is kind of heavy. Let's see. Let's go in our tour box. And it says May 2023. Mama's got a brand new bag. Our sleek and inclusive planner tote is the perfect solution with its spacious interior and pockets. This bag will make your favorite jeans fabulous. You'll have plenty of room for your laptop, planner, phone, wallet, and more seriously, this will be your new favorite all-around planner tote. So it's going to be big. No wonder it's a bit heavy. And then here we have everything that is included. So let me go ahead and put that off to the side. And how about we just dive right into the bag since we already went ahead and read a little bit about it. So I love that it's black. That way it'll match anything, right? Oh, and I love the white. Oh yeah, I love this. So we have like a pen, not a pen, but a pocket here for your pens. Then we have this spacious little pocket here, a pocket here on the side for your water bottle, and another pocket over here on the side. So this is how, what is it? How wide it is. And then we have the straps over here and a zipper. So as far as the inside, I believe it is one big pocket. Yeah, that's exactly what it's going to be. One big pocket for everything. So I love this. I love the color. Like I said, it is very big, very spacious, and your planner will be nice and secure here along with all of your other things. So yeah, I really like this one. Wow. I am always blown away by Jane's Agenda sub boxes because everything that is included is like really great quality and just things that you will use. So here we have the little bookmark, right? The page finder. And I believe these are like cherry blossoms. Yeah, these are really pretty. And actually they named it floral branches. So not cherry blossom, but floral branches. Very pretty. Oh, look at this translucent circle sticky notes. And another thing that I love about her sub box is that everything just coordinates so well. Like this little circle matches the little flowers here, and then the gray, just everything matches so well. Here we have May 2023 in this square card, and it's black. And then we have Mother, a person who loves unconditionally, the keeper of precious memories, a person much loved and greatly admired. Wow, that is beautiful. So here we have Tip-in monthly open dated. Oh, what is this? Let's go ahead and find out. I love the size. So let's see. Oh, okay. So, oh yeah, this reminds me of like the Happy Planner with the Skinny Classic. I believe that's what it was called. And you had this from the first of the month to the end of the month. And it says January here. So you can just have it at a glance really quick. And that is, it's just perfect. That way maybe bills are due or an event or anything like that. Yeah, I always loved this page in the Skinny Mini. I thought it was a great page, even though I never really used it, but I really saw like the benefit of using something like this. So nice and compact, and it's super convenient. So let's put that off to the side. And oh my gosh, look at this. I love like the sky blue door and all of these flowers. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow, look at this one. Oh my gosh, like I said, I'm always super blown away because everything is always just so pretty and right up my alley with my style. I like florals and just all the pretty things, and Jane's Agenda definitely does a beautiful job about that. So we have little dashboards here. Aren't they just so cute? I love this one. Oh my gosh, I love both of them. And they are double-sided. And then, wow, look at this planner cover. Oh my gosh. I am ready to switch it out, but I gotta be patient and wait until May starts so I can do my planner refresh and change out my covers. This is amazing. I really love how cute and simple this is. Oh my gosh. All I know is, can it be May already? I am really, really ready. Okay, so we have flex notes. Okay, so a little bit of note taking, I assume. Oh, and look, my nails kind of match the theme as well. I just realized that. Ooh, and that was super unintentional, definitely not planned. So let's see. So here we have, okay, so we have a little section up at the top, 3 divided sections here for maybe to-do list, and then grid dots down here at the bottom. And then the back is going to have lined paper here, and it's split into 2 with that dot grid. Yeah, definitely great for note taking, just like on the go, somewhere to write something down really quick. So yeah, we get a few pages of these. I love that they include inserts because you just never know when you're going to need that specific insert. Even though it won't be maybe this time around, eventually down the line, we might need something like this. Okay, so this is already catching my eye. So, let's see. Oh wow, look at this pretty vellum. Wow, number 5, May 2023, and it's that gold foil. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, imagine just like layered. Oh wow. Wow, this is beautiful. You guys know that I love layering, so of course I want to see how it looks with everything. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. And then we have this one. So I love the writing, I love the pink, I love the black. Very cute. What about this? Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, and wow. Okay, so then we have this week, and it's like a notepad. Oh my gosh. I just recently said that I needed something like this. Like just in my desk, off to the side, something that I have Monday through Sunday with. And this is actually perfect. Okay, so I'm ready to use this one right away. And yeah, that was everything that was included in Jane's Agenda's May 2023 sub box. Isn't everything just so pretty? I am definitely ready to dive right in. I cannot wait. So hopefully I'll film my planner refresh pretty soon. So definitely stay tuned for that so I can swap everything out from the last sub box onto the new items, because everything is just absolutely breathtaking. And let's not forget the big bag. It is just perfect. I just can't wait to use this. Like you can see, I'm super speechless because everything is just really, really pretty, and I'm ready to dive right in. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.